In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Reshade menu not opening up. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So one of the most common issues is not pressing the correct key. So by default, the Reshade menu is going to activate whenever you press on the home key on your keyboard. So I'm going to be putting an image on the screen right now showing you where it should be, but please look carefully on your keyboard and just make sure you have a home key. If you have a full-size keyboard, you should more than likely have it. However, if you have a laptop or you're on a 60% keyboard, for example, then try doing FN plus home or FN plus the up button or FN plus N. If nothing happens, please keep going. Another reason why this could be happening is that you have the wrong version of Reshade installed. So sometimes you may have downloaded the wrong version of Reshade, which is what happened to me personally when I was trying to get Reshade on The Sims 4. To fix it, please go ahead and open up the Reshade setup.exe file again, and just make sure you go ahead and select on the game you want to go ahead and play on. And basically, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you download it for a different version. So if you already downloaded Reshade for DirectX 10, 11, or 12, and that doesn't work, I recommend trying it on DirectX 9. So go ahead and try it between these two. So if one doesn't work for you, try the other one and then see if that does make a difference. This is what personally fixed my issue. Now, the next thing you always want to do is you want to check if there's another overlay blocking Reshade, because Reshade conflicts with overlays very often. So disable these temporarily, such as GeForce Experience overlay, the Steam overlay, the Discord overlay, the Xbox Game Bar, or any other overlays, because those may interfere with Reshade. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is run your game as an administrator. So let's say, for example, you wanted to run Reshade on The Sims 4. You would go ahead and right click on it. Then you would go ahead and press on Run Administrator. That is also something that does matter as well. If you have any type of antiviruses, make sure to temporarily disable it, because sometimes the antivirus can prevent Reshade from actually loading into your game. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.